Parang ang tagal nga kasing
Hindi naman po.
ang tagal gawin for rules of live
Ah,
streaming.
unang-una po, wala po talagang naka-schedule na hearing this week at saka sa susunod po na linggo. And we will be taking that time to be able to craft our rules really, no. Pinag-iingatan po namin yung paggawa nitong rules natin dahil binabalanse po namin yung gusto ng taong bayan for more transparency and to be able to see the workings of the commission. Okay naman, sabi nga po ni Justice Andy, ang kailangan lang po namin na tingnan po dito is binabalanse naman po namin 'yan doon sa karapatan naman po ng mga individual na i-invite po ng commission as resource persons. At the same time, yung maaari nilang idawit, pinag-iingatan po namin 'yan. Sabi nga po niya is the commission hears the cry of the people for more transparency, but at the same time gusto pa namin pangalagaan yung integrity nung proceedings, at the same time nung investigation itself. So in that case, tinitingnan pa rin namin kung paano po to mapapakinggan yung cry for more transparency. At the same time, ayaw po naming maging political venue po yung ICI dahil baka po malihis yung aming investigation. At hindi po namin matukoy at matumbok kung sino po talaga yung mga may kasalanan.
What point did you decide to open up the hearings? I'm just curious because we were pushing for weeks, civil society groups were pushing for weeks, pero for a long time the ICI was saying, no, you don't want to politicize it, exactly what you're saying now. And then suddenly, one day, things change. What was the tipping point? Or sino nagsabi to open it up?
Wala naman pong tipping point dyan. Probably it was just the decision of the commission to heed the cry of the people, but at the same time in the statement of Justice and Chairman Andres Reyes, he mentioned that we have to craft the rules first. So yan po yung tinitingnan, yung gagawin namin. That's our priority right now.
Maasahan ba ng mga tao parang sa Senate yan or sa House, for example, yung pagla-live stream nyo? Yun lang naman tinatanong ng mga tao, yun ang inaasahan nila.
Hindi ko pa masasagot yan kasi until the rules are eventually approved by the commission, dun po namin mapapakita kung ano po yung magiging patakaran as far as the hearing of the ICI is concerned.
What about the previous hearings, attorney? Is there a plan to release, I don't know, transcripts, executive summaries, or...
Kasama po yan doon sa that will be part of the rules that will be crafted by the commission and approved eventually.
Okay, so you are considering that as well, not just future hearings, but the hearings that you've already conducted.
I mean, that will be part po kung isasama nila yan or hindi po doon sa rules and procedures on live streaming.
No, I mean that's for the live stream. Pero what about the previous hearings that you've already conducted? Kahit hindi, even if you don't release the recordings, is there discussions around releasing transcripts or summaries or whatever?
That will also be part of the rules and regulations to be approved by the commission.